This video we're going to show you how to summarize a page that's really long. Like this is a lawsuit against Google for spying on your information. So what we're going to do here is we're going to press on. This happens for any, once you activate the AI portion of this, specifically for condensing pages and gathering all the information. This will work for any page on the internet, any page that has text on it, this will work. So there's a little stars over here on the top, if you can see, and we're going to press those and watch what happens. So we're going to press Summarize, and here we go. Generate summary, all the way down at the bottom, the blue one. That's pretty quick. So it took all that lawsuit and condensed it into a little section here that you can read and understand. Now in the middle here you can take this right here and select detailed, press done. Now this will generate a new AI detailed report, and it will give you more information that's prevalent to this lawsuit, so you can understand it just a little bit better, more technical. Nobody wants to sit there and read 15 pages or so, or 25 pages of information that just keeps blabbing on. Now you can copy this and send it to somebody, so it's just that simple. Copy, obviously, the left bottom, put it into your text message or email or what have you. And this is not copyright infringement or anything like that, because it's totally been condensed and rewritten. It's just the basic information, and then you can always go back and go to standard if you want and press done. It'll read it and put it exactly like it was before, the very basic information on there. Hope that helps you guys out, and have a great day.